So suppose we have a particle moving with uniform speed, uniform acceleration covers a distance of between point covers a distance of displacement (40 meter) in first 4 seconds. And 24 meter in next 4 seconds. Find the U and A, initial speed and acceleration. So what is the question? A particle moving with uniform acceleration covers a displacement of 40 meter in first 4 seconds and 24 meter in next 4 seconds. Find U and A. So how we are going to do this question? Suppose particle is here and this is the point B, and suppose this is point C. So what is happening is from A to B, it is covering a distance of a displacement of suppose 40 meter in 4 seconds. So it is here at this point 4 seconds, and 24 meter, further 24 meter in next 4 seconds, means here it will be 8 seconds. Next 4 seconds means from here to here. If t equal to 0 at this point, then at this point C, the t will be 8. So we have to find acceleration and initial velocity. So how to solve this question? So what we can use is, we are provided S for 2 paths and we are provided the time. So what we can do is, suppose we write first one, S equal to ut plus half at square. A is not given, but we know that it is constant acceleration, so we can use this formula. So for first part we can write S equal to 40 and U equal to, U is not given, so U, and time is 4 seconds plus acceleration is not given and time is 4 seconds. So we can use this formula. So how much this formula will result? 40 into 4U plus 8A. This is formula number, this is the equation 1. Similarly, we can use the from A to C. This was from A to B. Now from A to C, what we are going to use is from A to C, it will be again same formula, but the value of S will be this time how much? 24 plus 40. How much it will be? 40 plus 24, so 64. And U is same, time is this time 8, and acceleration and A by 2, that is, and time is 8. So this is the second equation. So second equation is 64 into 8U plus, that is how much? 32A. So this is the equation number 2. So if we want to solve this 2, what we can do is, first we can take, suppose we take first equation multiply with 4. 4 into first equation and subtract the second one. 4 into first equation. So 4 into 4, 160 minus 64. This is 4 into U, 4U into 4 times. So 4 times into 4U minus 8U, and 8U into 4 times, that is 32, 8A into 4 times, that is 32A, and this is minus 32A. So what we have done is, we have taken the 4 times of first equation So 4 times is 40 into 4, 160. 4u into 4, that is this one, and 8a into 4, that is 32a. Then for second equation, 64 subtracted, then 8 you subtracted, then 32 you subtracted. So these two are cancelled. We will have how much? If we subtract it, this is 96, and this one is 16 minus 8u, so 8u. So u is coming how much? 12. So the initial velocity which we are getting is 12 meter per second. Now what will be acceleration? Acceleration we can find using any of the equations. Suppose we use this second equation. So what we can write is 64 minus 8u divided by 32. So it will be 64 minus 8 into 12 divided by 32. So how much it will be? This is 32 by 32. So this is minus 1 meter per second square. So what does it mean? Minus 1 meter per second square means the body is decelerated. Then the acceleration is negative, and that is evident from the data also. You can see in first 4 second displacement is 40, while in next 4 second displacement is less than the first 4 seconds. In first 4 second it is what? 40 meters, but in next 4 second it is just 24. So it is less than the previous one. So displacement is decreasing. So the velocity is also decreasing. As it is moving forward, the velocity is decreasing, and that's why we are getting a negative acceleration. So this will be the acceleration. In the same problem, we are going to find some more quantities. We will find the velocities at B and C. So next part is find velocities at B and C. Find velocities at B and C. So how to do it? So for this, what we need is, we have got initial velocity, we have got the displacement. So velocity at this point and velocity at this point we need to find. So for this we are going to use the formula v square minus u square equal to 2as. So velocity, suppose we want to find at B. So velocity at B square minus u square. So u we have calculated, that was coming how much? 12. So 12 square, and acceleration was coming minus 1. And s is given, s was 40. For up to b it was 40. So the velocity is coming vb equal to minus 80 plus 12 square, that is minus 80 plus 144. So if we solve it, that is v will be equal to root 64 plus minus, which means plus minus 8 meter per second. So what does it mean? We are getting two different velocities at point B. So what does it mean? So how can we have two different velocity? Both are correct, or we should choose any one of them? So let us see what is happening exactly. At this point B, you can see the velocity is coming 8. So the velocity will be either 8 forward or 8 negative 8 means 8 backward. So why it is coming backward? So you can notice is that here velocity was 12 meter per second. As it is moving forward, its velocity has decreased because of the negative acceleration. Here again velocity will be having some value. Finally, what will be there? After some time, the object may stop because of negative acceleration, and then it may return back. The object is slowing down, and it may stop after some time, and then it may return back, and then when it reaches to B, it may have the negative velocity. So that is the velocity which we are getting, the minus 8 meter per second square. So both are correct. We will not take only one value. Both values are correct, but they are occurring at two different instances of time. 8 meter per second was occurring when it was at 4 seconds while moving forward. at some other time while return journey, there will be negative velocity, that will be minus 8 meter per second. So we can also find the time for that. So that we will do later. So next we will find first the velocity at point C. So for that again we are going to use the same equation